So, I'm just going through the Amazon rainforest over here. It's a pretty wild place. You never know what can jump out at you. There's creatures all over the place. I mean, there could be one literally behind that bush. You just don't know, right? Anyway, we're taking our chances here. We have a wild javelin here, and he's protecting us. He's there.
There's also a sign right there which tells you it's not in the...
There's a sign.
It says, kind of says...
Don't listen to him.
English trail system.
He doesn't know what he's talking about.
If it's
Yep, Amazon rainforest. Don't listen to him. That's why we got pine trees. They call Amazon pine trees.
I didn't realize there were trails in the Amazon forest.
I came and built them yesterday with my tractor.